Democratic Students Alliance Manipur Daysam decries politics in teachers' postings. Volunteers lock up education as department office in Lamphil today. JCILP Students Wing to launch tenant verification mass drive from June in collaboration with other hill-based organizations against influx of illegal migrants into the state. Tampa Lairenby Bailey Bridge constructed above Manipur River in Wangud constituency of Bishnupur district collapses around 11:30 late last night. And protest against entry ban of diesel auto rickshaws in the heart of Imphal city continues. Owners and drivers diesel auto rickshaws states set in today. Hello and welcome to Impact News. You're watching Primetime English News and I'm Premi Thangcham bringing you the top stories. Volunteers of Democratic Students Alliance Manipur Daysam stormed the Education as Department Office in Lamphil today, demanding the Education Minister and the Director of Education S to leave their post. The Daysam volunteers accused the Education S Department of playing petty politics in connection with transfer postings of teachers and lock up the office, declaring the Education as Department as inefficient and irresponsible. The protesters did not allow any staff to enter the office. Director of Education S was not present in the office. Addressing media persons, General Secretary of Daysam, Shital Oinam, alleged that whenever transfer postings orders are issued for utilization of teachers in various schools, lacking adequate teachers, the next day itself, DO letters from MLAs and ministers to modify the same order flood the Directorate office. Shital drew the attention of the government not to bring politics in the education sector. He demanded the Director of Education S to leave the post as the director is unable to stick to order issued by oneself. The General Secretary of the student body further demanded the Education Minister to leave his post, citing inability of the minister concerned to supervise his staff. Later, 4 volunteers of Daysam along with officials of the department were called to attend a meeting convened by the Education Minister, which will also be attended by the Director of Education S.
Oza Watpagi, award Prosi Kung Navidamakta, Director of Education Esna Tokpa, transfer Amati utilize ki order singasi, Tabak on Tuan Bagi Mahutta, transfer order Hek Tokiba, Nongan Baga, Dioletana, Director Office, Y Sahinba, Numitari Nipani Mamanga, Education Minister Amati, Director Masamakta, Equi Memorandum Pishan Balakre, utilize some of the transfer Toraga, Tamahena, Matau Karam Daba Salam Daba, Masi Aingoba, Action Low, Haidana, Equi Taxan Balakre, Taxan Griba, Order do, Nasipova, Taboina, Pangtoki Mahuta, MLA Minister Singi, Dioleta, Kogi Satlaga, Mai Yangaga. Lairiba Education Director Matik Chade Ma Pam Thadokadamni Kogi Education Minister Miam Dana Apaba Saba Pabak Tobu Saba Aduga Tasengna Education Sector da Magi Makataba Staff Singasi Taboina Pangto in Traga Pangtok having Matang the Miamna Handaki utilize some of the transfer Salam the Basigi Deshamna Puturokpa Ishusida Man low responsibility Sina Masi Kadai Pava Education da Kamam Tabaktori Habado Miam Hena Kange Education Minister Pamdagi resigned to Godamni.
JCILP Students Wing in collaboration with hill-based organizations will conduct mass drive to check all the landowners who give out rental rooms as a part of JCILP's drive against influx of illegal migrants into the state from June this year. Addressing media persons at JCILP's office today, convener of JCILP's Students Wing, Manjit Sarangtham, told media persons that volunteers of JCILP's Students Wing were able to identify 6 non-local with no proper identification documents at North AOC. Manjit warned to all landlords not to rent out their rooms to outsiders without proper ID proof.
Nan local sing si koi ningthina masagi saktak si yogduna makhatana changa gadi ko koi next month nagi kan ba moment hai dare koi ton ba bara da laibiri ba masagi saktak si yogdu sing masi takthok pagi adugumba mass agitation movement changzilla gani hai dare ko.
Convener of the students' wing maintained that JCILPS has already instructed all transporter associations not to ferry in non-locals without proper ID documents into the state. Manjit said, "It is regrettable that many have ignored the sentiments and movement of JCILPS, which was initiated to safeguard the indigenous inhabitants of the state."
lamdamsida changai banna local sing se koi north east music oram draba natranga india gi music oram draba misi lengang na so chap chaba action lokot pa mathok tare maram ding si taw seng na lamdamsida changa ki banna local sing sina koi gi khunai gi busirol da pirak de ba satheng sing manung da koi lamdam sigi no pi ngang sing da makut masa sangak pa rep toro kan hundu ma kan chen ki ba angang mana sana thal kan chen ki thok do kyam ka mamang thak ta leire maram ngasi lenga ka changai banna local sing se free flow da tawan ba national highway de changai ba music sing se na local sing se si chap chaba Manipur Police Department na Manipur Lengak na adugum lava law enforcing agency lay have to pamatok tare unna JCILPS na Truston wing na Manipur Lengak ta samjini wafam di nungzu gi mi fam di na line pam system chana handri marak ta tuan ban local sing the break the sing sisu thing matok ta have sing si media gi thong da lebak miam da thamjani
Tampa Lairinbi Bridge Bailey connecting Sugnu and Kumbi constituency constructed above Manipur River in Wango constituency in Bishnupur district collapsed around 11:30 late last night. The bridge collapsed along with a sand-loaded 10-wheeler Tata truck bearing registration number MN018853 which was crossing the bridge. The driver, who is identified as Chongtham Shyamsundar alias Mumu, 26 years, son of CH Mobi from Kairin Bikok Awang Laikai in Taubal district, swam across the river and saved himself. He is currently undergoing treatment at Wango Community Health Center. Upon hearing the incident, MLA of Sugnu Assembly constituency, Kangujam Ranjit, SC Bridge Section PWD, BP Bir Kumar, EEP Kishore Kumar and AEY Rajnis inspected the spot. MLA Ranjit assured to the people in the area that the bridge will be reconstructed soon after consulting the relevant engineers for the convenience of the public. MLA Ranjit said the reconstruction of the bridge will start from tomorrow. He also said Works Minister Thongam Bisorjit has already intimated about the same. The collapsed Wango Bailey Bridge was almost 190 feet long and was constructed in 2013.
Array parts in Toga, Honorable Minister Works with Bisorjit, I telephoned them from City Paunavada, Man, Sutamo, Somaito, Atay area that take Kibakai was in the Labor Part Mayamale, Maduga Toroga, Sidala Parsing Siga, Pabak Hangalagayam, Tuna, Taunava, Marina in our department, the instruction Pirage had an honorable minister, Nasu, Yamakari, Pazana Tambire, and a lady of Fimam Sida.
A man swept away by Arong River in Taubal district around noon today is still untraceable. The missing person is identified as Asem Thaibi, 34 years, son of Asem Koimei from Taubal Atokpam Haikrang Makong. After returning from his wife's residence in Kangabok, Maishnam Laikai, Asem Thaibi was trying to cross the river at half dam. Officials of State Disaster Response Force SDRF, all along with expert swimmers, carried out search operations till 5 this evening, but could not trace him till the time of filing this report. Diesel auto rickshaw drivers continue to protest against the restrictions imposed on the entry of diesel auto rickshaws in the heart of Imphal city. Diesel auto rickshaws owners and drivers in service at Mayailambi area stayed to sit in at Wahang Laikai parking area today. It may be mentioned that auto rickshaw drivers ceased their services since a few days ago, demanding the government to revoke the decision reached at a meeting convened by Traffic Regulation and Parking Committee TRPC on April 25th to ban the entry of diesel auto rickshaws in the heart of Imphal city.
Tang kumanga thamari 18 gi TRPC gi warep ta octo magic winger yauna bazar da changal roi haiba gi matang chei da koi octo thori ba chinnaw mayam sigi awa baji yengaga ngasi haiba numit che ningdawa ba numit sile da नुमित मरी मंगाने की ममांग दगी अखोई कनो धरना होइना गवर्नमेंट की मथकता सी तौबिगनु हाइबगी ताबी नबगी मवोंग दा अखोई इसा इसाना लागा सिंथा लेपसी हाइना गिबे मतुंग इन ngasi sida अखोई सेदा सिंथा लेपगा अखोई सेदा लेजबने अखोई सिना क्राइम तौगे कनो तौगे हाइबदा वखंदा तौब नते
Joint Administrative Council, All Manipur under 5-ton passenger services in a press release warned of intensifying their agitation as the government has failed to revoke its decision to ban entries of diesel auto rickshaws and other passenger vehicles like Winger and Tata Magic in the heart of Imphal city. The JC also warned the government to bear responsibilities for any untoward incidents during their agitations. Staff of Directorate of Information and Public Relations states a sit-in at its complex in Moirangkom today in support for the movement initiated by Joint Administrative Council of Amtok and AMTO demanding implementation of the 7th Central Pay Commission. Various placards were displayed at the sit-in. Speaking to media persons, a staff of DIPR stated that the sit-in was a democratic protest demanding the rights of the employees.
Sis work strike se March ki date 22 dagi chathaduna lakpani aduga sit in protest in April gi taruk dagi punna numit ngasi ga thana 47 days ti sure department punna chamaga mangana chatharaga laklise si support tok jabo ina khoina DIPR na ngasi phamjabani akhoina ngasi phamjariba sit in protest se akhoi am democratic way da phamjabani government da akhoina haijaningi se akhoi gi employee state government ge employee amoina akhoi gi phambam thokpa akhoi gi right ado akhoi da chanbiduna akhoi bu PBU phanganbiu haibagi akhoi phamjabani.
Manipur Readers Forum states a sit-in demanding availability of daily newspapers at Manipur Public Library. The sit-in was held in front of the library of BT Road today. President of Manipur Readers Forum, Mutum Upendra, said Manipur Public Library under the government has become an efficient library during the last 2 years by providing various educational and other informations to both the students and the general public. However, unavailability of daily newspapers is regrettable. He appealed to the authority concerned to fulfill the basic demand from the readers. On the other hand, Upendra also appealed to the relevant authority to fill up the vacant post in the library at the earliest.
Manipur Public Library na sahi ani muksi Manipur Sarkar na lausan bidana khoi yamna nungai jadami adubu lausan gi bedagi hauna ngasi phauba khabar gi paisa thadarakadaba mai gi paisa pigadaba adiki chaukida gi paisa pigadaba manungi management gi paisa laitabaduna manam oiraga खबर पाबसिंग असिबो लेप्तुन लैरी एल जेंटर कुमार आर्न कर्सगी मंत्री पाबिरिबा सीना अथुब मतमदा थबकता ओंथोकपिरउ हाइदना थमोय सेंगना इकाय खुमनजनाय अपील तौजरी.
Atsum, AIMS and DESAM and other civil society organizations in the state have been organizing sensitization programs as a part of their movement in demand for appointment of a native IAS officer as the Chief Secretary of the state. Executive members of Atsum, AIMS and DESAM organized a meeting with the apex body of different ethnic communities as a part of the ongoing movement at Ziribam today. The meeting resolved to urge for appointment of a native IAS officer as Chief Secretary of Manipur on seniority basis. Presidents and members of Mar Students Association, Cookie Students Organization, All Ziribam Tribals Union and other associations in Ziribam also attended the meeting.
IAS officer ki batang asida seniority basis ta pigadabani Manipur ki native mi asida Chief Secretary pigadabani ngasi ki issue asina bill ama oina sendok pire hairaga Manipur ki lakadaba Yalomi mayam natraga generation da akhoi asibil asina chatle hairaga Manipur da IAS officer mayam thok bagi interest asi semgat pire hairaga IAS officer Manipur ki achaw asang leader mayam asi Manipur da laibiraga mapan chatraga Manipur ki parja mayam ki damak thabak subiba haibadu akhoi Ziribam ki parja na supami haibni.
Uyumpo Gram Panchayat United Club Organization organized a sit-in today at Haikak Mapal Makalaikai against the government's decision to shift the construction site for Imphal East District Hospital from Sagolmang to Kiamgai. Protesters chanted slogans and demanded the minister concerned to leave his post. Secretary of Haikak Mapal Nupi Chaukat Kongthang Lup, Kasham Hemabati warned of intensifying their agitation if the government fails to fulfill the demand, and further warned that the minister concerned will be made responsible for any untoward incidents that may result out of the agitation.
Sina aroi ba oide akoi khongjang kaya ama changselaki gani anu khongjang singsida karigumba asi ana yaudana akoi yamna phajaba mongda khoi ngasi tawjabani adubu hen minister na masi ge khoina tawjariba khuding ma sem hangna tabi daba taragadi akhoina tongan tongan ma khongjang mayam ama changselakpada akoi hanba leiroi karigumba asi ana yaurgadi hen minister gi thonganda asibuduba khoi thangjalaga thambangam thamgani haiba khongdang ase akoi changjanjagani haina sibawdi khoi leijaribani hoju phawba.
JAC against unnatural shifting of Imphal East District Hospital, Sagolmang, in a press release, has condemned that the Health Minister's statement terming the genuine plight of the JAC and local MLA while meeting the Chief Minister on April 29th as fake. The JAC also maintained that a memorandum of understanding produced by the Health Minister as clarification on media was not official and that no department accepts the paper. Senjam Chirang Youth Club SCYC Imphal West in a press release clarified that one Konsam Loyumba, son of K. Tomcho, who was sentenced a jail term in conviction to a blackmailing case on April 26, is wrongly stated on local media as belonging to Senjam Chirang, while in actual he is from Senjam Kuno. The club further warned of filing defamation suit against anyone misusing the Senjam Chirang village name while making press statements. It's time for a small commercial break. After the break, we bring you news on Imphal Municipal Corporation IMC shutting down over 300 shops without registration and license during a drive in Thangal Bazaar today. Keep watching Impact News. Welcome back to the break, and you're watching Primetime English News. Imphal Municipal Corporation IMC shut down over 300 shops which were not registered and without license during a drive at Tampa Market and Hijam Laino Shopping Complex in Thangal Bazaar today. The team led by Assistant Municipal Commissioner IMC K3 Mayum Gyanendra, Additional SP Law and Order Imphal West L Priyadarshini and OC City Police Sudhir found that many shops did not hold license and were not even registered. The team also made the shopkeepers remove goods from the footpaths for the convenience of the shoppers. Speaking to media persons, Assistant Municipal Commissioner of IMC K3 Mayum Gyanendra said that the drive was conducted to find out shopkeepers violating the rules and regulations of IMC and to remove goods piled up along the narrow footpaths. He asserted that befitting actions will be taken against the violators and further appealed to the shopkeepers for timely registration and renewal of their license.
IMC की bylaws की मखादा कोई शॉप रेस्टा तौबरा लाइसेंस लौबरा है तो कोई यंगजबनी लोनेना कोई की फुटपाथ कोई की गली दे याम चिनब जगह दा दुकान फमिली बचिनाव सिंगना कोई लंबी चफम बहु लेतब जगह से इसा सु लेपगा पोजोनबा मसी की कोई मसी मखा ताब थोक्तना कोई की bylaws की मतुंगिना कोई लखत पयाबा एक्शन कोई लखत जगनी अदुना कोई दुकान फमिली बा इसिनाव चेचल खोय पुलमकना कोई IMC की bylaws की मखादा कोई इसा फमिली बा दुकान से रेस्टा तौबियु लाइसेंस लौबियु इसा लाइसेंस
Students of Wycombe Money Girls College along with the SAM WMGC Unit Council formed human chain in agitation against the exclusion of Wycombe Money Girls College in the recent upgrading of 6 colleges into full-fledged government colleges. It may be mentioned that the government recognized 6 government-aided colleges as full-fledged government colleges on March 28. 3 colleges, including Wycombe Money Girl College, after much reassurance, were left out after much assurances. The human chain formed by the students blocked one way on National Highway number 2 in Thaubal area. Protesting students held placards read Ekoigi College, Lokat PU, Beti Bachao, Beti Parao, etc. Debate and Extension Secretary of the college, El Tembi, said the college was established exclusively for women around 39 years ago. She said the college, with adequate infrastructure offering art stream, science stream and various vocational courses for women, was accredited B grade by UGC after an AAC assessment. Tembi appealed to the government to upgrade the college into a full-fledged government college. Directorate Office and District Handlooms and Textile Office in a press release notified that the Indian Institute of Handlooms in Guwahati has invited applications from interested class 10 pass students for pursuing 3-year diploma course on handlooms and textile technology for the academic session 2018-19. Eligible students in the age group of 15 to 23 years can procure the admission forms and get other details at the office from May 14th to May 31st. News editor of Sanalay Bak Dailies, Hidang Mayum Achauba, was conferred the Narad Journalist Award in connection with the 6th Devarshi Narad Jayanti today. Vishwa Sambhat Kendra Manipur organized the event at Manipur Press Club. Speaking as the Chief Guest Information and Public Relations Minister, T.S. Biswajit appealed not to misuse social media to disgrace individuals or to spread propaganda to create disharmony and enmity between communities. He asserted that media persons rectify any wrongdoings in the society. Biswajit also appealed to the media fraternity to carry news item only from reliable sources and not to publish any fake or unreal news items. He also appealed to the general public not to conceal any crimes which in due course of time may flare up the integrity and harmony of the state.
Differently work over machangi internally social media every party every company media advisor media informative party social media post the fact information upload social crime create directly action court through the advantage
A team of Business Excellence Group BEG Manipur visited the world's largest trade expo Canton Fair, China Import and Export Fair at Guangzhou in China from May 2nd to May 6th to explore potential business opportunities with the integrated check post ICP at Moreh becoming functional in the near future. The BEG team also attended an interactive dinner session hosted by the Indian Consul General, His Excellency Silas Tangal. The Consul General expressed his appreciation for the BEG delegates from Manipur. Several potential and viable business areas for Manipur were discussed in relation to the Look Is policy. Highlighted of the evening was also the discussion on the extreme similarities of Manipur with the topography and climatic conditions of the Yunnan province of China, which is today the global supply hub of flowers and fruits. The BEG team comprised of Dr. Ibomcha Thokchom of Advanced Hospital, Hero Thokchom of Ivayama Hospital, Kunja Biari of KB Enterprises, Dr. Radhesham Oinam of Network Services, and Koma W of Sanamahi Motors. Manipur State Shumang Lila Council MSSLC Palace Compound held a tribute ceremony to honor the renowned late Sumang Lila artist Nahakpa Moirang Ningthau at Thambal Kong Sabal Laikai today. MSSLC and family members paid homage and floral tribute to the portrait of the late artist on the occasion. Lifetime Secretary of MSSLC S. Hemanta related to media persons that Nahakpa Moirang Ningthau was a prominent Sumang Lila artist and made great contributions to the art form. Hemanta also said the late artist was popularly known as Englishman Saba, as he frequently played the role of Englishman in Sumang Lilas. Late Nahakpa Moirang Ningthau gave many masterpiece Sumang Lila performances.
Mahang na sumang lagi mang raga to ba liklam kaya ay ko na thiba khangda na leramba ay tu komina sanaramba adagi di ato pa lila sina ko samam na dan leramba lila maming singse ma ke haktak tagi ko na aduni ay dana nena tana khangja obong ambagi pangkal lama ozana pibiramba aduga ikang khangau dana mana sahi sama mapung parak numit marini sanban numita legi dabas leida ko na Manipur State Sumang Lila Council na ning bakai baga loena ozagi mapam da mit ki piga loena na katsaba harang lang katsabagi numit amoy na magi yums da sangga is da laksaraga tharom se pangthok sariban.
Lamp lighting, capping and oath-taking ceremony for the first-year trainees of Female Health Workers Training School was held at a school conference hall today. Speaking on the occasion, Nursing Superintendent of Jenims P. Landhoni appealed to the trainees to be diligent. Director of Health and Family Welfare Services, Dr. K. Raju, Additional Director of Family Welfare Services, Dr. Muhammad Salamat Ullah, Additional Director of the Health Department, Dr. P. Shyam Sundar and Joint Director, Nursing Medical Directorate, Vungzanim Valde were among those present at the event. A tailoring center named as All Manipur Tailoring Training Center under the Labour Department was opened and its coordinating committee was established. Addressing media persons at Manipur Press Club today, co-convener of the newly established coordinating committee of the centre, T.H. Henjit, stated that the centre was opened by the Labour Department with an objective to aware the labourers of their rights and to avail various schemes of the department. He assured that the centre will put in efforts to make time availability of all the benefits meant for the labourers.
यामना तेल चाही खकिल प्लान होटपीदना लेबर डिपार्टमेंट बु मसक खंगन बीदना मियाम खुदोंग चाब पीबीदना सुगुमलब तौरब चेयरपर्सन से लिसांगसिना लाकदोब चाही खर हेना सांगथना पुहनबीदुना अनौब लेंगाग सिगी ओनेबल सेमगी मंगलान खुंगंग चची सोथरब प्रजासिंग योखछि हाइबो वखलोल लंगिसिनमी मियाम सेमगछि हाइबो वखलोल तौरबसिदा मपुंग हेना फाननबगीदमक्ता सुगुमलब चेयरपर्सन असिबु मखाताना थबक पुहनबियु अदुगा अवोनबा मणिपुर मा पोरकपदा नहा होरिबा मसागी कथोकपा मग लोइनना थबक तविरैबा अखोगी चेयरपर्सन असे अनौबा अवोनबा मणिपुर मा पोरकनबा अनौबा लेंगाक्सिना लौरैबा खोंतांग चचौबा थौदांग याहनबियु.
Entry of vehicles from India has been banned at Damo town after a bomb blast at Molnoy village on Indo-Myanmar border on May 4th. Impact News sources intimated that the ban came into effect as a part of security measures by Immigration Department of Myanmar after a bomb blast killed a person and critically injured another at Molnoy village situated 30 kilometers from Myanmar side. However, the same has not been notified to immigration officer of India by officials of Myanmar. Business transactions are continuing normally as of now despite a ban on entry of vehicles from Myanmar. The newly formed Committee of Unnatural Alignment of Highway Expansion from Kalaikong to Usoipokpi in a press release has stated that it has resolved for not more than 50 feet of land each from median of the road for expansion of the highway from Kalaikong, Lilong to Usoipokpi and 5,000 rupees compensation for every square feet of land. And now to sports news. Tej Birchandra Singh Football Academy celebrated its 18th Foundation Day today. Staff and students of the academy and many eminent personalities of the state honored late Tej Birchandra Singh by offering floral tributes at his portrait. Contributions and visions of late Tej Birchandra Singh and his family in the field of football paid off when Wangjam Suresh, a student of the academy, not only secured a berth in the Under-17 World Cup, but other students of the academy also played at various national and international football championships. Social worker G. Molkul, retired Deputy Director of SIDE, Tej Ibotombi, President of TBS FA, S. Kurai Lakpa, and many people in the area attended the event. Speaking on the occasion, Secretary of the Academy, Tej Dilip, asserted that the Academy has been offering football trainings and has produced many good footballers since its inception in 2000 and will continue to do so.
Academy asida Manipur ki talent leba player mayam ado khoi academy da properly training pirakanda world class ki figure mayam mama puthokna academy asida gi haukiba angang Wangjam Suresh Singh World Cup Under-17 India gi mahut sinduna sanakre hoji academy asigi maximum player koi nauriba player mayam mama India gi I League Youth League ta kaya saruk yazari mathang dasu kaya ama Puthoksa Gena Khali Academy Sigi representative club oriba BMS sinasu Youth League koi participate tawnaba apply tawjagre under 13 ga under 15 ga koi laibok phadana koi academy accreditation piragadi matam chupagi oina koi academy sigi nauriba mayam je India gi amadi international gi thak ta saruk yana ba khoi academy gi site gi lep leitan honajagani.
AITA Mata Under-16 Boys and Girls Tennis Super Series kicked off at Officers Club Deco Turf in Lamphilpa today. Altogether, 32 boys and 16 girls will participate in the tennis series organized by Manipur Tennis Association under the aegis of All India Tennis Association. Today in the boys singles series, M. Shankar beat W. Gobind 6-2, 6-4. Aman Adil defeated T.H. Niraj 6-0, 6-2. Niti Balas beat S. Biki 6-3, 3-6, 6-3. Tanish Nahata beat Anurag Kera 6-4, 6-3. Dhanush Patel beat W. Padmashore 6-0, 6-1. And Surat Mall defeated L. Paras 6-0, 6-0. Before we end the bulletin, let's take a look at the headlines once again. Democratic Students Alliance Manipur Desam decries politics in teachers' postings. Volunteers lock up education as department office in Lamphil today. JCILP Students Wing to launch tenant verification mass drive from June in collaboration with other hill-based organizations against influx of illegal migrants into the state. Tampalairenbi Bailey Bridge constructed above Manipur River in Wangu constituency of Bishnupur district collapses around 11:30 late last night. And protest against entry ban of diesel auto rickshaws in the heart of Imphal city continues. Owners and drivers diesel auto rickshaw states set end today.